I love being out in nature, and it's amazing how you can get nature so close to our lives. Basically, humans have took over so much natural habitat, it's hard to get anywhere. But this is kind of like the modern world. This is the natural world. And go right in here to explore natural world all around us. Here it is. All around us is natural world. We're stuck in it. This is how we want to be. I love the natural world so much. I'm the sort of guy that would go off grid to get into the natural world. Even just for half an hour, for 20 minutes, to hear the birds sing, to be at one with nature. So what are you prepared to do to get close to nature? I'm prepared to get off a path like that, to come into a little forest like this. And we basically look at all of the bird nests. It's beautiful. Right there. Absolutely beautiful. What would you do to be close to nature? I would step off the path and go right into it, as I made this film to prove it. I think we should all make the effort to get close to nature, because we are nature. It's where we came from, it's where we're going to. Be close to nature is my advice. Shine on.